Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to discuss what is a virtual machine and why do we need one in order to follow this course. So we're going to work with different kind of operating systems within this course. For example, we can use a Kali Linux, which is a Linux version, a Linux distribution, which we will see in a couple of minutes. Okay? And in order to do that, you can either delete your own operating system from your own computer and install the other operating system that you may want to use as a main operating system, or you can run it virtually using a software called VirtualBox, for example. So these virtual machines will allow us to use different kind of operating systems anytime we need them. For example, by using virtual machines, we can use Linux, we can use Windows or other operating systems virtually in our own machine whenever it's needed. We can run multiple machines at once, and it will be much more safer for us to use a virtual machine. So if we kind of break it, or if we kind of do something wrong, we can delete it and we can rebuild it within minutes because it will be virtual. So it's recoverable. We can go back to any state that we want anytime we want. We can just install the latest version or some different earlier version for test purposes. So it allows us to do whatever we want freely, and it's literally free as well because the VirtualBox is free, which is the software that we're going to use in order to run our virtual machines, and the virtual machines are free as well. So this will be a very good idea in order to follow this course. And if you wonder what it looks like something like this. You're going to see within a minute, but as you can see, this is the VirtualBox, the software that I was talking about. And for example, I'm running a Linux version over here in my own machine. Even though I'm using a MacBook right now, I can see the Kali Linux over here. So this is what you're going to do with virtual machines. And within the next lecture, we're going to see how we can install this VirtualBox and the other stuff, and how we can do the settings for them in order to run them efficiently on our own host computers.